Dear student, today's topic is staffing process. Under staffing process, on our last turn, we had taught you first point, that was the estimating manpower requirement. Second step of staffing is that recruitment. Recruitment, to whom we call bharti. It means inducing, motivating, attracting, encouraging more and more people to apply for the vacant post in the organization. Now the question arises, why we motivate, induce more and more people to apply for the vacant post? Yes, its reason is that if we have more and more candidates application, then it would be better choice for the organization, and organization can select better candidates. But there are some other criteria to recruit the workers in the organizations. First is inside, to whom we say internal recruitment. Internal recruitment means appointing existing staff. Existing staff means already working staff at the vacant post. If this method is adopted, adopted by the organization, then it would be very economical, means less expensive, and very less amount would be spent on their training. However, if we want to recruit people from outside the organization, then organization should contact various placement consultants, employment exchanges, contractors. These are the elements that fulfill the requirement of organizations. One thing I would like to explain you, employment exchange. Dear students, there are two types of employment exchange. One is government employment exchange and second is private employment exchange. But I would like to pay your attention towards the government employment exchange. Government employment exchange is inactive nowadays. Then we have placement consultants. There are some placement agencies who submit the job seekers application, and according to the requirements of the organizations, they send their name to particular organizations where the post is vacant. And the contractors, to whom we say thekedar. Contractors, there are so many workers, employees are in contact with the contractors, and these contractors are registered contractors. When the organization requires, then they send the workers, laborers, technical, non-technical staff to the organization. But the best method to recruit fresh talent is through advertisement. Third process of the staffing is that selection. There is a difference between the recruitment and selection. Although in recruitment suitable candidates are selected, but in selection most suitable candidates are selected. Most suitable candidates are selected in selection, and this selection is done through a process, through a steps that involves test, interviews, trade test, their personal tests, as well as medical tests, etc. After qualifying all these tests, then if the candidate is most suitable means the candidates for which post he is selected is very expert, मतलब that selected candidate has much more knowledge and experience regarding their work. The main objective of selection are to select the best among all the applicants. Next, to make selected candidate realize that how seriously things can be done in the organization.